So I just got up. It's like 11 o'clock, but I missed Austin Soul like media day, and they were gonna do a scrimmage and shit, and I missed it because of the graduation party yesterday. So decided I'm gonna go for a run instead. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. One thing that I always forget is to stretch. I was talking to a friend yesterday, and she was saying that she ran a lot and that she realized how important stretching is. So I guess I should listen, but also Jagan's been saying this for I don't know how long, that I should be stretching, because he knows I don't stretch, because he lived with me for 4 years. So sorry about that, Jagan, but I'm gonna try to stretch more when I run, just for you. I think my biggest gripe with stretching is it takes a decent amount of time. And I know Chagan's gonna call me once he watched this video and give me shit about how I hadn't been stretching and how I think it takes a while. But yeah, like when I run, it's like I get like shin splints after like 1.5, 2 miles. So that's my issue. And he always said to stretch, so we'll see. I'm done with my run. 2.5 miles, 9-minute pace. Not too bad. My feet hurt though, but I don't think that's because I'm stretching. I think that's just my shoes. So now I think I'm gonna go shower and then start cleaning up and doing all the other errands I gotta do. So I haven't cleaned yet, or I was supposed to, but I got distracted playing computer games / watching the Celtics Heat game, which was a blowout, and the Mavs Clippers game, which is also a blowout. But I'm gonna go play disc golf with Ankith, who's a high school friend of mine, and then once I'm done with that, I'll probably do the cleaning that I have to do before work on Monday. So that's where we're headed right now. It's such a mess down here. Holy, there's like I guess like a soccer game over there. So all these cars are just for that, and I hope the disc golf course isn't too packed. But I parked on the other side of Kith, so now I have to go walk to find him, or he needs to go walk to find me. This happened last time when Riley, Kith, and I played disc golf here at Roy G. I should probably learn and do better, but I just go where Google takes me. Yeah, see, I always park here, and they always park over here, and then because I think before they redid this course, hole 1 used to be over here, I think. So they would always just cross this way to go to hole 1, but now hole 1's way over here. Because we were gonna meet at hole 2, but yeah, I guess we're just kind of figuring out.
Moments later.
Fuck, it's a fuck, yeah. How did that get there? Hey.
The lizard scared the fuck out of me. What's up, Chief? It's all good?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Chilling. Oh, is this the... we're vlogging?
Yeah.
You want to go to hole 1?
We can go
They
wherever.
changed like the fucking all the numbers, but I kind of want to go. You know that hole we would always start at with the long, like kind of curved. It's down that way.
It's this way. Yeah, because this is 16.
Yeah.
I was gonna take a picture.
Oh, this is 16.
This is 16.
Fuck me, dude. I don't like that they changed all this.
Yeah, and we can look at the map.
Yeah. You guys thought a video got
HEB hype. Finished playing disc golf with Kith. Good time. Warming up for when Croc gets here. Oh shit, did I park in the wrong spot? It says customer with child parking, but there's no sign here, so I think I'm okay. But now, went to HEB. Gonna go to my parents' house, eat dinner with them, and then probably go home, clean my house. But I think that's it for today. Have a lot to do still. So with that, I'll catch you later. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't